Good day and welcome to Soul Raymond Ministries HomeGrown Series, brought to you by the Household of Faith. I'm really inside now. You probably wonder, what does this have to do with eggs? Okay, so, we talk a lot about some of the eggs that we use. So I'm getting ready to cook myself some breakfast. And I just wanted to show you this in real time. So here I am putting the egg in, and I'm taking the egg shell, dropping it in the container. Move that. Crack another egg. All right. It's not about the eggs, trust me. Okay, so here are the eggshells. And as you can see, I already have a banana peeling down in here from the other day. I usually have a banana for breakfast every day, so that will go in there as well. These are the eggshells, banana peelings, and coffee grounds, which is a little coffee pot, and taking my coffee grounds out. I'd already started on this when I thought how I could show you guys this. Yeah, I guess you could call it a hack. And so I've got my eggshells, banana, peel, coffee grounds. All right, so we come outside in the morning. I usually come out and I bring my uh, coffee grounds out here and I put them on this uh, plate and let them dry in the sun. All right, and these are still in here. So I don't do it every day, every few days. So then I take the eggshells and I have a little bag that doesn't have holes in them. And I put the eggshells in there. And then I have, this is just an old oatmeal container, all right? And I take, as you can see, it's got coffee grounds and some other whatever else in there. And I just pour the coffee grounds in here, all right? Nothing fancy. And I don't have the tripod because I had to go into 3 different places. All right, so there's the banana peeling already dry. Now I take the eggshells, put the eggshells on here to let them dry. Just taking them right on out of this container. I take the coffee grounds, spread them out there so they can dry, and move all the eggshells out. Okay, take that banana peel out. That was from dinner. I always try to keep a container or something that I can put scraps in. Oops, I dropped some. And this is a red onion, as you can see, and some celery. So that's the cycle. I break these up as much as I can, and then I'm still going to blend them because they need to be blended down. This is what I start. This is part of the fertilizer. So this is something you can do every single day. Is you can, if you drink coffee, okay, if you eat eggs, if you eat bananas, you can just save them. You can bake the eggshells, the coffee grounds, and the banana peelings, but I got the sun to bake these for me. It's just so much easier. I take the actual paper, I save those, and that goes into compost as well because the paper will break down. Coffee filter, all right? So this is just another hack. These everyday household items that you use that you can reuse in your garden, all right? That's all we got for today. God bless you. And it's easy to grow your own food, but the working at getting it to grow and making it produce, it's going to be up to you and up to God. You do your part, God will do his. God bless you. Remember, we have the Facebook group, urban gardening, in time urban gardening, advice, tips, and help for growing food for now and forever. Have a great day.